coming out of the page, you need to press Q once that is completed. It will show you, like it will move like enable scrolling option. So just try the same option as well. Instead of more, so we can use less as well. So press enter here. There is also will scroll down. And for example, if you want to search any kind of content at this time, so just press the / here and type whatever name you want to verify. For example, I want to search next. Then it will show you where exactly next is available. If you press N, and automatically it will show you where exactly next is available. In the same way, just press enter, then automatically again, if you press enter, automatically it will move further. So once you are done entire the content of this file, then it will show you end. Then if you want to come out from this page, just press a simple Q button, then you will come out from this file. So in this way, we have two options, more and less. Using those two options, with use the pipe symbol with the cat command and provide less or more, so you can get the entire file information, the page by page or line by line, as you can view instead of scrolling up and down. So the tag to display content of file.txt in the reverse way, mostly this is not exactly required. I just provided the command here. And the next thing would be is to copy a content of file 1 to file 2. So if you want to duplicate one file to another file, you can use this greater than symbol. So from the file 1 content, so we'll copy into the file 2 content, like file 2. So you can get the duplicate. So in the same way, we have the copy option, CP, using the CP also we can do that. But you have one more option. Sometimes you may require you need to the transfer some of the content to the different file. So at the time you can use this greater than symbol to transfer any kind. For example, so the same command I'm using, the cat symbol. If I just use same information, the entire content will be displayed on this the screen. But if I want to transfer this the content into the another file, I just want to copy into another file. Just use single greater than symbol and provide some different information. Maybe the file 2 I will do that. So the content is not displaying in the terminal, but the entire content is transferring into this the file 2. For example, if you see file 2 content, you can see the entire content whatever is available under that. It's just like the copying entire file into the different name as well. So still will have the same file, and the file 2 is also available. The next thing would be to append content of file 1 to file 2. So for example, so file 2 is already having some information, and you want to append some information at the end. So instead of the totally copying entire content, if you are doing this type of way, whatever data is there, it will be removed from this file 2 and added all this information into this file. But if you use 2 greater than symbol, so it is going to append at the end. So file 2 is having some data, and after that, if you are doing the cat the file 1 or different file name and providing the 2 greater than symbol and providing same file2.txt file or file 2 file, and whatever content is available under this file, it is going to be added at the last. So let's see that. So just use the same kind of command one more time here, so that some content will be available under file 2. And now if I want to append any kind of data, what file I can take? Do I have any data on this one? Sorry, the /etc. We have a simple content is there here. So for example, the same command let me use again. So instead of that, what I will do, I will use the double thing, and now I'm going to append this entire file information. This is totally different file. So now what it's going to do, it is not going to create a duplicate here. This file is already have some data. So whatever data is available under this file, it will be appending to this file at the end. And now if I see this the file 2 content, so at the end, the entire information whatever is there under my file, like if you want to verify the last line is exactly same or not, the secure protocol is equal to auto. Sorry. See, the same information is appended, but the starting of this file, if you want to get the file to content, the starting of the file is ctl.conf. The same information is available. The data is not removing from the file, but it is going to append at the end of the line whatever data is there in existing file. So that is the way you can manage the files from the appending data from one file to another file here. And now the tail. The tail is the very much important command in the normal administration part. So whenever you want to see any kind of logs for any file, so tail is going to be used. So here it is showing tail-10, so file.txt. So for example, if I want to use the same command tail-10, so file2. It is going to show you the last 10 lines, whatever number you are providing here, those many number of lines. So from the last, it will display those 10 lines, whatever exact 10 lines is available at the end of the file, it will show you here. So why exactly this important command is, so for example, if you are troubleshooting any kind of application and you need to see the logs, what are the logs available, what are the logs it is creating on that the entire file. So for example, if you want to see -f option is there, the var log under slash, we have one more folder called log. Under var log, we can see all the log information, log files, whatever log files are created, each and every log file will be created under var log partition if you are installing any kind of package using package management. The var log, the syslog is the system logs are going to store under this file. So -f option is, it will show you the entire the latest information, so whatever the logs are creating in this file. So because we are not getting any command prompt after providing -f, but if you provide -number, any kind of number, those many number of lines will be displayed from the last and you can get the command prompt. But if using -f, the latest logs will be displayed. So last the couple of lines it is showing. After that, if you are getting any kind of logs from the system, then automatically you can get all those information from the end. So for example, if you're troubleshooting any kind of application, maybe if it is a web application, Apache kind of thing, so you want to see what are the logs it is the coming from the whenever you're accessing that web page. So then you can access the web page and use the tail-f command and provide entire logs, log file information. So mostly it is going to be available under /var /log/ Apache. Under that file, you can have access log and error log kind of thing. So provide entire file location here. So the entire logs, like whatever exact logs is coming from that application, you can see the scroll down here, so that you can identify the issue, what is happening whenever you're accessing specific application, if it is throwing any kind of errors or not. Out of that you can identify. That is the reason the tail-f is going to be used many times in a normal administration in Linux. So if you want to come out from this command, just do Ctrl+C, then you will come the command prompt. So head is also same thing. The head is going to display the starting 10 lines. So for example, if you have the bigger the file and you want to see the starting lines only from the output here, you can use head -10. Mostly this is not going to be used in the administration part. -10 provide the file to. Very rare case you will see. Only starting the 10 lines will be displayed, depends upon number, whatever number you're providing. The starting 10 lines of the specific file, whatever you're providing, those will be displayed here on the terminal. And now let's see the CLI file permissions. So we have a couple of file permissions will be available, and you can change those file permissions depends upon your requirement. So if you list out any kind of files and folders, so for example, I want to list out all the files under /etc. So you can see there is some permissions available from the starting. So these are the file permissions. So depends upon these letters only you can identify what exactly the permissions available for a specific file. So for example, forget about first character. I will show you what exactly is first character. For this file permission, they take these characters here. First 3 characters would be owner of this file. It's like whoever is created, for example, this owner of this file will be root here, and this is the group information, whatever group is attached to this file. So owner and group is root. So this file owner, now we can say that the root. So owner of this file can write and read and write permission we have. So by default, each and every